Hey everyone, in this video we are diving into a classic success story of human-computer interaction, that is the development of Windows 95. I am Sisi Tamraka and with me are my awesome team members Prajwal Adhikari, Ankit Rimal and Prashant Shrestha. Together we are going to explore how HCI principles made Windows 95 the revolutionary operating system. Back in the early 90s, using Windows 3.1 was like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. Users faced clutter interfaces and task difficulty, making simple operations feel like monumental tasks. The challenge: make Windows as easy as pie. The solution: apply HCI principles to create a user-friendly experience. To tackle this, the Windows 95 design team got up close and personal with the users. They didn't just guess what users wanted, they asked a lot. This user-centered design approach was the first critical step. Think of it like baking a cake for a party. You wouldn't just throw in ingredients randomly. You'd ask your guests about the preferences and allergies. The team gathered feedback, ran tests, and focused on real user needs. This feedback loop was crucial. Users highlighted the struggles and the team used this information to shape the new interface. One of the brilliant moves was using familiar metaphors. They introduced the desktop and folders concepts everyone could relate to. This simplification was directly informed by the user research they conducted. Imagine opening a computer like opening your office desk. Pens go in the drawer, files in folders. By using these familiar concepts, they made digital tasks feel as natural as organizing your workspace. And this is where the start menu and taskbar come into play. They built on these familiar metaphors to create a consistent and intuitive user experience. The start menu and taskbar weren't just pretty additions, they were revolutionary. They provided a consistent and reliable way for users to navigate and manage tasks. Consistency means that if you learn something once, you know it everywhere. And immediate feedback, it's like having a trusty friend who nods every time you are on the right track. This made sure users always knew where they were and what was happening, reducing confusion and enhancing confidence. These features ensured users could focus on their tasks without getting lost in the interface. Next, they tackled reducing cognitive load. Simplifying dialogues and introducing wizards for complex tasks made the interface feel less like a maze and more like a guided tour. Trying to set up a printer on Windows 3.1 was like defusing a bomb. With Windows 95, clear step-by-step instructions guided users through processes, making everything feel straightforward and stress-free. By breaking down complex tasks into manageable steps, they ensured users could accomplish their goals without feeling overwhelmed. But they didn't stop there. Real-world testing was the secret sauce. This iterative process ensured continuous improvement based on user feedback, perfecting the design through real-world application. It's like fine-tuning a recipe. Test, tweak, test again. By constantly refining based on real user experiences, Windows 95 wasn't just theoretically good, it was practically awesome. Each round of feedback led to enhancements, making the final product robust and user-friendly. The influence of Windows 95 is still seen today, prime example being the Windows 11. Its legacy in HCI continues to inspire modern interfaces, so next time you breeze through your desktop tasks, give a nod to the HCI principles that made it possible.